Hey friends, Kevin, your budget travel guy here, and in my never-ending quest to bring you people some culture and to bring you some travel tips and ways to save money on travel, we all know Stonehenge is expensive to get to, and they've kind of ruined it because they've roped it off. It's about a football field away from the road over in Great Britain. It's just hard. So I'm going to bring you another alternative, a little bit cheaper for you to get to and experience. So I present you with Stonehenge, Kentucky style. Yeah, somebody got bored. Wonder what the dude's wife thinks of this and having strangers traipse around, although I doubt many people come up here and find this, but it's kind of cool, so let's check it out. To begin with, Kentucky style, you're not going to be 100 yards away from it. You're going to be right there where you can check it out in all its glory. Now, my understanding is sometimes this gentleman will come out and invite people down to look at this a little bit closer. And he actually has a couple of other things on his property other than this. But because it is headed towards dark, I am not going to just traipse down there through this man's yard that I don't know in order to get really up close and personal with this. Now, I know this isn't going to be an issue with any of my subscribers because I've got some of the best subscribers out there. But just a reminder, always be respectful to people and their property, especially those that go to the time and trouble and effort and a lot of times money to put interesting things out there for a little cost or free. Now I'll put a link with the address in this little town down in Kentucky. I'll put it down in the description. But traveling across the country, I've seen some amazing things that were put out there either for free or a donation box, and everything from stuff like this to things like a windmill museum, which has 50 or 60 old-timey, antique, working windmills that someone went through a lot of trouble to put up, put on their land, to restore, to purchase and bring in there to begin with. So there are all kinds of things like that. And when I'm out and about, I love trying to find the quirky stuff and bringing it to you like this. So this is going to be down and dirty, not the best camera equipment once I start to lose daylight. If I get a chance to come back through this area in a better time, I'll throw that up in another video, add it to another video. But anyway, I'm on the way to Elizabethtown, Kentucky, which just happens to be the title of one of my favorite movies, oddball screwball movies, called Elizabethtown. Unfortunately, very little of it was actually filmed in Elizabethtown, but there's some other interesting things there, including a free car museum. So we're going to check that out, let you know whether that's worth your time and effort to get to when you're traveling in the area. So we'll see you next time.